This is my plastic pyrolysis plant. My model goes like this. So first of all, let us start with the first component, that is my auto feeder. Inside this auto feeder, we feed all the plastic waste, water bottles, and the cups, etc., and the polythene which we wanted to convert into fuel, and this goes inside a reactor. Inside this reactor, the plastic gets converted to a gas. This gas, why this converts into a gas? Because this yellow color is a stove. This stove heats up the plastic, and this plastic waste, due to high heating, gets converted into a gas. This gas passes through the to the cooling tower. Inside this cooling tower, a water tank is associated with it. This water tank helps us to cool the gas. So now the gas is converted into a liquid. This liquid passes through the to the oil condenser tank. Inside this oil condenser tank, more substances are added up, and now it gets to the oil tank. Inside this oil tank, the whatever liquid is condensed and it converted into oil is stored. But this is not for final storage, because we must recycle it and make it, we must refine it and make it more pure and fine oil. So my refining system is this too. This is one of my system, that is de-dusting system. Inside the system, whatever liquid is not required is stored. This is connected to the main system, to the reactor also. So whatever liquid is not required, whatever waste cannot be converted into the gas, is stored inside the de-dusting system. Also, I have a draft fan associated with it. This draft fan helps us to convert the oil into a better fuel, or a cleaner fuel, we can say that. Then after that, it goes inside a heavy, passing through this main tank. It goes to the it is connected to the oil condensing system, and passing through this oil tank. This goes to the heavy oil tank. This is for the final storage of the oil, which is we getting from the from our plastic waste. And from here, the plastic pyrolysis oil comes out from our from the main pipe, which is this. This is from where we get our plastic pyrolysis oil. So this is how the system works like, and this is how it looks like. It is connected with very small pipes, and I am trying to show you how each system is connected to each other with small, very thin pipe. And these are our two main pipes, which are connected to the reactor as well as the oil condenser. The oil condenser is connected to the water tank as well as to the heavy oil tank, and this whole system is next connected from this main wire to my refining system, that is my draft fan and de-dusting system. And from this it goes back to the heavy oil tank. From the heavy oil tank, the pyrolysis oil is extracted. So this is how a pyrolysis plant works. Thank you.